Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel a Venmo payment. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we're going to do is open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go and open up Venmo.com right here, and on your mobile phone, you're going to download the application if you do not already have it, and after that open it up. So what we need to do to cancel one of our payments or transactions is to first log in. So what you want to do is log into your account where your payment is being made. You go ahead and click the login button on PC or your mobile phone, log in normally. Once you're logged in, now we can get started. So you're going to go ahead and be greeted by the main page and the home page. This is how it's going to look like, from where we can get started with looking all our sections. We have the home section, cards, account settings, and so on, and now we can get started canceling a Venmo payment. So basically, how does it work? As you can see in this article right here on how to cancel Venmo payment, we can take a look at that. Unfortunately, we cannot cancel or reverse a completed Venmo payment. So if you have sent the funds to the wrong person, the best we can do is to request that the person returns that money. If you know who you sent it to, you can request the money back, because there is no other option to return your money. That is the bad side of this. The good side is, if the payment is still listed as pending, you can take back the payment. So what we want to do is to cancel a pending payment is to follow the steps on the Venmo app. We're going to navigate into the Me tab. So the Me tab is right here in the bottom right corner. This is what you want to open up. So by opening up the Me tab, at the top of the transaction field, you can locate the landing payment that you want to cancel. So go ahead and find the pending payment and then select take back. So after opening up your Me section, you can find all your payments that are pending, and you can find it and click to take it back, and this is going to return and cancel that payment. But if it already went through, you will not be able to get that money back. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.